The Daylight 660-watt LED and the Daylight 660-watt LED Pro are super efficient full-spectrum LED fixtures which are ideal for most indoor spaces and grow tents and are designed to replace a single HID grow light respectively. These high-intensity output fixtures feature 6 bars, fully loaded with the latest Osram LumiLEDs and LumeLED LEDs, offering highly uniform coverage across the plant canopy. Keeping in line with the pinnacle of LED grow light technology, the 660-watt range has a notably high output. The Pro version offering a huge 1,782 micromoles per second, and the standard 660-watt version offering an impressive 1,518 micromoles per second. This makes these LEDs practically unrivaled in the industry. The spread of the bars allows for air to flow between them, offering passive heat dissipation. This also negates the need for noisy mechanical cooling fans, making the unit run silently and reducing the risk of mechanical failure, which can often occur in competitor LED fixtures. Each unit includes a dimming feature, allowing the grower to increase and decrease power according to your requirements. One dimmer can control up to 10 linked units via iLink cables. The dimming function gives the user the ability to reduce the power to as low as 25% and can be increased to 50%, 75%, and then, of course, full power. Unlike with some HID lamp systems, the dimming function does not have a negative effect on the overall spectral output, with all daylight LED fixtures in the range maintaining a broad spectral output, no matter what dimming mode is selected. Both units feature LEDs with no lenses, which means better light efficiency. Each of these fixtures are optimized for use in a 1.2 meter to 1.5 meter tent, or combine multiple units in larger tents and grow rooms, where more light is required. Where space is restricted, the fixtures can be overlapped or dog-toothed. Running the range through an integrated light bed demonstrates the range's impressive uniform footprint, delivering broad light coverage. Comparing the Daylight 660-watt LED Pro to a standard 600-watt HPS system using a Euro reflector and 600-watt lamp displays the impressively high output of our LED lighting systems, with the standard HPS system producing just 893 micromoles per second versus 1,782 micromoles per second from the Daylight 660-watt Pro. With their improved IP65 ingress protection for watertight performance, slimline design, improved clip-on bars, and new hanging brackets, the Daylight 660-watt LEDs offer an attractive option for your next new grow light. Affordability and high-end performance, all rolled into one. Maxibright is committed to making improvements to the Daylight LED range, adding new and upgraded hardware as the industry advances. The Daylight LED series are also designed for easy one-person assembly. Both of the 660-watt LED fixtures feature iLink compatibility for the added benefits of thermostatic dimming control, timed power control, temperature safety control, sunrise and sunset control, and the ability to apply all of these features to up to 100 fixtures using the Daylight Lighting Controller. For more information, please visit www.growwithdaylight.co.uk, where you can also see the full Daylight LED range with Maxibright's unique light-on-target charts, PPFD maps, as well as the Daylight range of CMH systems.